Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how you can see your Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. With the introduction of iOS 16, Apple has made it convenient for users to view password of the Wi-Fi network they're connected to, and also the password of networks they've connected in the past. First, steps to view current Wi-Fi password. Access your Wi-Fi settings by opening Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Beside the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, you'll see an information button that looks like the letter I. Tap on it. Tap on Password field. For authentication, to view the password, authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. Once the password is visible, tap Copy if you wish to share or use the password elsewhere. After that, there are steps to view previous Wi-Fi password. Still in the Wi-Fi settings, tap Edit located in the upper right corner. Then, networks you've previously connected to that require the password will display a lock icon next to their names. Click on Information button, the eye icon, next to the network name, then tap the password to reveal it. Just like before, you can tap Copy to share or use the password. In conclusion, that sums up the steps to easily access and share Wi-Fi password on your iOS 16 device. Always remember to keep your password secure and only share with trusted individuals. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!